Hey guys, good day, good day. How are we all doing? So it's the day of the NFP. We're just going to do a quick recap. So today's setup is more or less like yesterday's setup. Let me quickly show you the setup before we go into the trade recap. So we've got a 1:2 risk to reward trade on Nasdaq. Same trade setup as yesterday. Let's see if we didn't remove it. As you can see, this was our trade yesterday. So same pattern, same setup. Um, It's reached halfway, so we're going to move our stop loss to break even as usual, slightly above the entry. We're going to see if we'll push to the TP. So coming for a quick recap, what you can identify from this week is you can see that this is the peak formation low liquidity sweep from yesterday. So yesterday we bought into this push up. Today we are buying into this push up. So after a peak formation low, we simply anticipate stop hunts and a push up, which is exactly what's happening right now. The reason we don't trade during NFP is we want to wait for a direction. So this was the NFP candle. Then we simply had to wait for our kill zone time. And within our kill zone time, we are just jumping into a continuation of the trend which is already forming. And you can see this is what triggered our entry and a break of this order block as a confirmation with a quick 1:2 risk to reward ratio. And like I said, this is the setup right here. It's almost on TP on a quick 1:2. So hopefully it will reach the TP. So quick recap to come with this setup. The only thing we needed to have was a bias. So daily, you can also see we've got a bullish bias trading above the 13, above 22,500. So basically, we bullish from yesterday. We also had a pin bar. So all we needed today was a confirmation of an entry. We also had this nice W pattern, which is also visible on H1, confirming the bias with price also trading above today's open price with a visible market structure, which you see on H1 with the peak formation low, confirming the buy, and M15 confirmation of a pattern at NFP. This was the stop hunt here, NFP retracement, and we bought into the continuation. So entry could have been on M15, entry could have been on M5, entry could have been on M3. Both entries are perfect. So if you like the way we trade, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and also comment what you traded. Did you trade NFP or you don't trade on news days? Let's catch up next week. So with this setup, you can just see if you've got a pattern which you understand, it's easy for you to show up and just look for the same pattern day in, day out. And if you can catch the pattern on like 2 days of the week, that's enough to give you a 4R on your capital, and it's enough to make you a profitable trader. So trade almost on TP. Thank you so much for watching. If you watched until the end, enjoy the rest of your day. Good trading.